To use dual recording mode in the Samsung S26 Ultra, first of all, you will have to actually add it into the camera settings by opening this button and go to the camera settings. Now you will have to scroll down and open Camera Assistant if you are gonna use it for the first time. Then you will have to wait for downloading and now scroll down and go for this one. Dual recording, click on this switcher to turn it on. Next, you have to open more modes and now you can find the dual recording mode and how you can use it. First of all, you can change a lens, so you can pick lenses that you want to record. For me, I would like to get a front one, but also the ultra wide angle camera. So each one that is selected, you can find this marking in the right upper corner of the preview of each lens. There we go, and click OK to confirm. And as you can see right now, we can just start recording, but of course can just change its position. So if you want to get bigger preview on the selfie camera, you can just click on this button simply. And what you can also do, you can make this smaller, bigger, or you can simply minimize and get this in your background if you need. By clicking here, what you can also do, you can change the view, so you can split view if you want, which is pretty useful actually. And now we can even record this videos in separate files. And just click here to start recording. And now when you finish, take a look. We are going for the gallery and we can find first video and the second video.